Whenever I turned, I left the door open.
You sure did. You didn't run your battery down. Oh my god. Stop it. Oh my god.
What?
What is that?
What?